Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get Flipside on Instagram. So this is the new feature of your Instagram. All you have to do right now is just update your Instagram account. After you update into the latest version but you don't have yet the Flipside, you can go to the setting button and trying to search the help a support, this one, more info and support, tap help and report problem without shaking, and include and continue and try to briefly explain what happened and what's not working. Flipside bug, for example, or Flipside doesn't work, or Flipside is disabled. It's up to you, and then you can send. But if you already done, or if you already have a Flipside, just try to swipe down, and this is the Flipside. Express yourself on Flipside, and only you and those you choose can see this side of your profile and what you share here. You can create your photo, your private photo here. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also press this button below. See you in the next video.